Welcome to Skyrise Investments. You are watching the Market Mastery series. Your journey from zero to stock market pro. Stock market. A place where lakhs of people enter with dreams, but only a few stay long enough to win. And the difference between those who succeed and those who fail is not luck. It's knowledge. That's why today, I'm starting a brand new journey with you, the complete stock market learning series. A series where we will cover 200 plus clear, simple, practical topics from basic concepts like what is stock market, what is Demat, to advanced concepts like candlestick psychology, chart patterns, indicators, futures options and even technical and fundamental analysis. In a way that anyone can understand. No complicated words. No confusion. Just simple, powerful, and actionable knowledge. Whether you are a beginner, a student, a working professional, or someone who wants to take control of their financial future, this series is designed for you. We'll learn how markets work, how companies grow, how to analyze stocks, and most importantly, how to avoid the mistakes that 90% beginners make. And don't worry, you don't need to know anything before starting. We'll build everything step by step, from zero to confident to pro. So if you are ready to understand the stock market, not as a gamble, but as a powerful tool to create wealth, then make sure you follow the series from the very first episode. This is the beginning of your stock market transformation. If you found this valuable and you are excited for the series, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss even a single lesson. Welcome to Skyrise Investments. Let's rise together.